Students, we will study powers and functions of Supreme Court. There are three types of judges, or you can tell jurisdiction in Supreme Court. The first one is original jurisdiction. First one is original jurisdiction. It deals with this original jurisdiction deals with fundamental rights of union and state government. Means if there is any problem, if there are any issues regarding the fundamental rights of the union and state government, then this original jurisdiction deals with it and gives judgment to them. Then the second type of jurisdiction is appellate jurisdiction. APPE, appellate jurisdiction. This deals with appellate jurisdiction deals with civil and criminal cases and the third type of jurisdiction is advisory jurisdiction. Advisory jurisdiction. There are three types of jurisdiction under the Supreme Court. First one is original jurisdiction. It deals with fundamental rights of union and state government. Then the second one is appellate jurisdiction. It deals with criminal and civil cases. And the last one is advisory. This advisory jurisdiction can advise President, Council of Ministers, it can advise President, Council of Ministers on the issues of public interest. If the issue is of public interest. This is short form public interest spelling. So there are three types of jurisdiction under the Supreme Court. We will end the lesson till here, and then the rest of the lesson we can continue next class. I will revise once again what all we are going to study today. The main points, the jurisdiction is group of judges of the court considered together as a jurisdiction. We will study about the structure and functions of jurisdiction, role of jurisdiction legislature, then appointment of the jurisdiction. The main function of these judges or jurisdiction is to maintain law and order, then powers of state and central government, fundamental rights of every citizen. Supposing any citizen has a problem that he is not allowed to act according to the fundamental rights, he can oppose them. He can go to the ordinary court of his subordinated district court. Now, if not satisfied with any of them, even with High Court, then he can go to Supreme Court. Then Supreme Court is the highest court, and the main head of the Supreme Court is known as Chief Justice. He is the head of the Supreme Court. He is appointed by the President of India. And once the Chief Justice is appointed by the President of India, the other judges of the other courts are appointed by the president but with the advice of the chief justice. And the qualifications of the chief justice is: first, he should be the citizen of India. Second, he should have the 10 years experience of a judge as a judge of a Supreme High Court. He should have 10 years experience. And then he retires at the age of 65. But supposing a chief justice or any of the judges, if they misuses their powers, then, and if the misuse or whatever it is, if it is proved, then they can even be removed through the impeachment process. Then under Supreme Court, there are 3 types of judiciaries. Original jurisdiction. This jurisdiction maintains fundamental rights of union and state government. Then appellate jurisdiction, it deals with civil and criminal cases. And then advisory jurisdiction, this jurisdiction, these judges can advise, only advise, not cannot command. They can only advise President and the Council of Ministers if the issue is regarding the interest of the public. Students, all these points we will study from the book in detail, and then we will continue the lesson in next class.